Welcome to Tips for Clips. Today I'm going to show you the quickest and most effective tutorial on how to trim your beard, turning it from this patchy mess into this. It's a drastic difference and I'll show you all the steps right here in less than 3 minutes. I'll start out by reminding you when I say closed or short lever setting, this is what I mean. An important key in trimming your beard is knowing where it grows thickest and where it grows thinnest. So the thinnest hair on my beard are my cheeks, so I'm going to use the longest clip. So here I'm using a number 3 in the closed setting. I'm just going all along my cheeks. Now I'm going to go down to a 2 because on my chin it grows a little bit thicker. It's also in the closed setting. I'm just going to go all over that. I took off all the guards here. The thickest part for me is my soul patch, so I used no guards in the long setting. And here on my mustache, it's also pretty thick, so I used a number 1 in the closed lever setting. Again, the thicker parts of your beard need lower guard numbers. Now what really makes me go a little bit quicker is using this template by Aberlight. If you'd like to purchase one of these, and I highly recommend it, I have the Amazon link right in my description. Trimming the hair, as I already showed you, is actually the easy part, but shaping up like I am right now is the harder part. So using a template like this is a really good idea. All you have to do is hold the template in place and bring your trimmer all the way to touch the template, and you're gonna be left with a really crisp line. And the nice part about this template is that they have different options for the curves, so you can choose whichever curvature works best with your beard. I'm using it here for the top of my mustache, really simple, and I'm also using it for the bottom of my mustache, and you're gonna see for the inside of my goatee next to my soul patch. And you can see with a template like this, I'm able to do every nook and cranny, and I think that's the difference between a super sharp look and just a mediocre look. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, bottom of my mustache. It has a nice curvature there. And with this template, because they have so many different angles, you can get really creative and it's really versatile. And the idea is that you can feel confident while you're cutting because you know that you can't mess up, you can't go beyond where the template is. So it's a sense of security that you're not really going to mess up. And you see on the sides here, it makes a perfectly straight line. And for the bottom, you're pretty much free to do what you want. You just want to make sure it's a straight line. You can go as high or low as you want. I don't have too much hair on my neck, so I don't have much of an option. The line is kind of pre-drawn for me, so all I have to do is clean it up. Look at the difference between where I started and where I am now. Really a big difference. If you follow the steps, you can do the same, and that's all it takes. I hope these tips are as helpful to you as they are to me. Here are some of my other videos. As always, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you at the next video.